This is a Prince Pete exclusive.
What's good? What's good? What's good, everybody? It's your boy Prince Pete with another one, man. You know, I just heard some devastating news. Actually, a couple of minutes ago, Michael Clark Duncan, man, dead today at 54 years old, man. Now, if you don't know who Michael Duncan is, you've been um, probably been living under a rock. You know, he was most famous for his his part in Green Mile, where he was nominated for a Best Supporting Actor in Green Mile, and that was a dope movie. He been in, numerous other movies. I remember he was in a movie with Martin. What was it called? Welcome Home, Roscoe Jenkins. You know, and that was pretty dope. He was in a couple more other big roles too. I think he played in the Return of the Planet of the Apes. He played in that too. You know, the guy was just an all around good actor. Period. You know what I'm saying? So, from what the reports say, he was hospitalized for a heart attack back in July, if I'm not mistaken, and they've been treating him since then, and unfortunately, he didn't make it. So, you know, I'm just relaying all the information to you guys, man. If y'all want to hear the full story, I got I have a link in the description box. Y'all can check it out and whatever. And yeah, man, rest in peace, man. Michael Clark Duncan, man, rest in peace.
Okay. It's your boy Prince P.